Hey, welcome to Silver Carbon Show, the #1 insurance show in the world. Hapa KE. Sisi ndio tunaongea mambo ya insurance. And of course, I'm here not only with the guests, but with a lady that was my classmate at the University of Nairobi. I was doing economics and sociology. She was doing economics and communications. And I want her to introduce herself before we go. Without any further ado, karibu sana.
My name is Abigael Arunga. I'm an insurance consultant. I've worked in the insurance industry for the past more than 10 years now, and right now I run my own agency, Silent Insurance Agency.
You work as an underwriter. If guys don't know who's an underwriter. The underwriter is the person who, when you go to the insurance company, they fill your details into the system. They do what, and they underwrite you. Basically, take your risk into the company and they analyze the risk. She has done that. She has worked in finance, in insurance, and finally running her own agency. And of course myself, I also have vast experience in insurance. I worked as an accountant in insurance. I also worked as a branch manager, and finally I'm also running an agency. So karibuni sana Silvercam TV, and would like to go straight to life insurance and just talk about a few things. Maybe what made you go into life insurance? What's your personal story about life insurance?
Okay, my personal story on life insurance. It's a very personal story because
I hope you don't mind telling us the story.
I've never shared it on camera, but I don't mind.
Go ahead.
So when I was young, I was in primary school. I faced death of someone close to me, and that was my dad.
Oh, poor son.
Yes, when I was in primary school. My dad was a people person. Our house was full of guests, of relatives. He loved, welcoming people. And after his burial, during the funeral, the way people contribute for you, and both for the funeral and just for your children's expenses, but they can only do as much, yeah? And after the burial, what happens?
We go.
People go. You can't depend on them to probably sustain your family. We were a family of 8.
Wow.
Yes. My mom was a secretary. Yes. So my dad was the main breadwinner. So after his death, of course, till today, probably I'm not seeing some of his friends. Yeah. So I saw that at a young age, and through our experience.
How old were you at that time?
I was maybe 12, 13.
Oh, that's early teenage.
Yes.
That must be nice.
Yes, but you still understand death at that point. You're young, yes, but you know what's going on. Yes, and after that, sometimes when you take debt with banks, and you're no longer there, what do? They come for your property. Yes. So we faced all that as a family, and it was very tough.
Oh, there were properties left at the financial scheme.
Even where we were staying.
Whoa, no way.
Yes. you can imagine people coming to see your house, walking inside where you stay. So having had that experience, when I was young, I think that's why I'm passionate about life insurance. It makes so much meaning. I kept on asking myself, what if my dad took this policy? We might not have had to go through what we went through.
Wow.
Yes, fees would have been paid easily. The bank loan would have been paid. Things would have been sorted.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's basically my story.
Thank you very much for sharing your story with us. And I think I'll just go straight to insurance. So some people who face insurance with fear, they don't understand it. Some feel like it's a scam. So what would you say is the best, possibly the best plan to take up, and why do you think people need to take insurance, and is it real? Is this something that can help someone?
I strongly believe insurance can help you in various ways and forms. Because in insurance acts as a savings. It makes you disciplined in savings over time. Because if you don't save, at some point, let's say you want to buy something or pay fees, would you rather start saving for it now than wait till, the time you will probably need your property and take a loan? When you save, you earn interest. When you take a loan, you're paying interest. So this is one of the avenues insurance helps you to plan. The second way insurance helps you to plan is in terms of protection. That's why I shared my story. It protects you against critical illness. It protects you in case you become disabled, you're not able to continue, working. And when this happens, even your premium is waived. Yes, you don't have to continue paying premium for the whole time. And third, in case of death, it will protect you. And these are and also if I could mention pension, in our old age, we need a form of income. Because if you don't plan, you'll start becoming a burden to
your children
and your family. And we want to stop this cycle. Yeah? We want, since we have the information now, we need to take personal responsibility. What am I doing as Abigail to change this situation? I might not be able to reach out to everybody, but everyone in your space, because everyone can come into this business. It's a business opportunity for everybody. You can do it. You don't need, a lot of technical experience. Once you understand what is covered, why it's useful and it makes sense, you can go and preach the word. It's like we preach the word. Yes, so that we break this cycle.
Asante sana, thank you very much, my former classmate Abigail, for being with us in this show. I want to tell you, guys viewing, watch this show, subscribe. There's a Silvercam TV. Fill your button, your red subscribe, and of course, like and comment. Tell us what you think about the show and what we can bring you more. And you're going to hear a lot of personal stories, a lot of people's experiences, and we want you to be educated and equipped with knowledge about insurance, because insurance is good for you.